Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in WhatsApp, both Android and iPhone. So let's get starting by the Android. So first thing, you need to open your Gemini app and connect it to your Gemini account. After that, you need to go to the top right corner and select your photo here. Then you just scroll down a little bit until you find connected apps. You selected it, then you scroll a little bit until you find WhatsApp and you need to enable it. And after that, you will be able to send messages or make calls through WhatsApp app by using Gemini app. Like you can give it a simple prompt like call my mom on WhatsApp and the call will be done. Now let's get moving to the iPhone. For the iPhone, we just do the same steps. You select your icon here, then you choose connected apps. But as you can see, there is no WhatsApp option. It's not available yet on iPhone. Maybe it will be in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.